Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. This is just a quick video to show you guys how I make knotless braids. I am not going to record the entire hairstyle because I am at work and I don't want to keep my clients any longer than they need to be here. So first of all, I am using the original expression braids and I am using 4 packs, and the color doesn't matter at all right now because the video was recorded in black and white. We're going back in time. I am in a old school mood, but anyways, this is just 1 pack of the original expression braids. So what I did is I cut the length of the braid in half. If you're familiar with the original expression braids, they're like 32 inches long. So half of that length would be like 16 inches. So this is about 16 inches long. And this is just an estimate. I didn't actually measure it, but it would have been a good idea to measure it. So make sure that you guys do your measurements before cutting your braids up, okay? So anyways, this is how thick I'll be making my braids. But since I am doing knotless braids, I can't just fling them in just like that, right? So I am going to section this into 4 sections, making each section bigger than the previous one as I go along. So the idea is to feed these into the braid one by one. So I will start with the smaller piece first and then add them in bigger as I go along. So here's my client, and her hair is super thick on the roots because she hasn't had a perm for about 3 months now. So the roots are very thick and coarse. So I went ahead and did the first 2 rows because I really don't want to keep this client any longer than she needs to be here, as I said before. This video is really just to show you guys how I made the knotless braids. So I will section out this row according to the amount of braids I want to put in this row so that each section looks equal in a way. And it's always best to section out your row accordingly to know how much braids you want to put into that row so that each box will have an equal amount of hair.
Speechless, 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 speechless. Your style, your style, your style, your style. London, 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 London. Because I big man she don't wanna live you.
So I will now start to braid with the client's natural hair, and I will braid about 2 or 3 times before adding in my first piece of extension. And also it is very important that your first piece of extension has an equal amount of density to the natural hair itself. So watch carefully as I add them in piece by piece. So now that I am at the end of the braid, I will cut some of the ends off to make the ends look a bit more straight, because my client didn't like how long and natural the ends look. So I basically just wasted my time stretching out the ends all night to make them look so stretchy and natural. But anyways, my client has a different taste in mind, and I actually love her idea. It looks different and so old school, and I think that's the reason why I made this video in black and white. I am very creative like that. And as I go around to the front, I will make the braids smaller at the top. And this is how I will continue my parting, going round and up to the top until I get to a finish. So that is all I had to show you guys. I hope that the video was useful in some ways, and maybe next time when I've got more time on my hands, I will make a full video tutorial for you all. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also follow my husband's hair journey to see how I grew his hair from nothing to something in only 3 months. I will leave the link below. Also please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to stay updated with this channel. Bye bye for now, and I hope to see you guys on my next premiere.